Alright, so we have question 2. Right, so about question 2, I'm just gonna read it, okay? If you don't have the questions, well, you're gonna get them on the grind on WhatsApp. Right, so there's a group on WhatsApp for the grind. You gotta get the test right over there. Okay, so it is saying the base of the solid lies in x and y plane and is bounded by y is equals to cos of x. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, right? And x is equals to 2. Right, this is C below. Right, so below you have something like this, right? And then you have that. So that should be y is equal to cos, y is equal to cos of x, okay? That's what you have right there. Alright, so the question carries on. Each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is an equilateral triangle. Right, calculate the volume of a solid. So the area of an equilateral triangle, right, the area of an equilateral triangle, it is defined as square root of 3 divided by 4y squared, if I am not mistaken. Let me double check that. Square root of 3, yes. Okay, so we have this, right? So now if you want to find the volume is going to be equals to, so the thing that you're going to have, we have to integrate the area to find the volume. So we'll have the square root of 3 divided by 4, and then y squared. What is our y squared? Our y squared, it is that y here, okay? So we will have our cos squared of x, okay? So this is what we will have. Now that's an antiderivative from 0 all the way to 2, because these are bounds from 0 all the way to 2, right? So now let's carry on. V is equals to, now at this point we take away the square root of 3 divided by 4, and then we're left to 0 and 2 cos square of x, right? The volume is going to be equals to root 3 over 4. Alright, so I guess right over here, in order to change this, because we cannot just take the antiderivative of that, we can change this, because by definition cos squared of x is also equals to 1 over 2 of cos of 2x plus 1 dx. Alright, so v is going to be equals to the multiply the bases, right? Root 3 divided by, that should be 8, multiplied by, so right over here we have the definite growth from 0 to 2 of that, okay? So the antiderivative of cos of 2x, that should be 1 over 2 sec of 2x, right? So that should be 1 over 2 sec, that should be 2x, right? Plus antiderivative of 1 is going to be x, okay? And then this is from 0 all the way to 2. Okay, so right over here we will have root 3 divided by 8, right? And then 1 over 2, and then right over here sec x, right? Sec of what? What is our 2 times that? 2 is going to be 4, plus we're going to have a 2, and then minus a 0, yeah, probably minus 0, and then you simplify that. Okay, that should be the problem. Just